Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast, Easy English with Real Conversations. Today, we have Ayesha with us again. Hi, Ayesha.
Hello, sir. I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to see you too, Ayesha. So, what do you want to talk about today?
Sir, today I want to talk about something very special to me, how I started my business.
Oh, that sounds interesting. So, you are a young entrepreneur.
Yes, sir. It started as a small idea, but slowly it became something real.
Wonderful. Let's start from the beginning. Tell me, what made you want to start your own business?
Sir, since I was a child, I always liked doing creative things. I used to make small greeting cards and sell them to my friends in school.
That's so cute. So you always had that business spirit.
Yes, sir. I liked the feeling when someone bought something I made. It made me happy and confident.
That's a great motivation. So what kind of business did you finally start?
I started a small online store where I sell handmade jewelry like bracelets, earrings, and necklaces.
Oh, that's wonderful. Handmade jewelry is always special. It shows creativity and effort.
Thank you, sir. At first, I didn't know anything about online business. I was scared.
That's very normal. Many people feel afraid at the start. Learning something new always feels hard in the beginning.
Yes, sir. But then I said to myself, if I never try, I will never know.
Excellent! That's a powerful mindset.
Yes, sir. So I started watching YouTube videos about small businesses. I learned how people sell things online.
That's a smart move. You used free resources to learn.
Yes, and I also learned some English words that helped me understand business videos better.
Can you share a few of those words with our listeners?
Sure. Words like profit, customers, orders, shipping, and marketing.
Great words. Let's explain them for our beginner listeners. Profit means the money you earn after you pay all your costs. Customer means the person who buys from you. Order means when someone asks to buy your product. Shipping means sending your product to the customer. Marketing means telling people about your product so they can buy it.
I wrote all these words in my English notebook.
Excellent! Writing new words helps memory. Grammar tip. When we talk about general habits, we use the present simple tense. For example, I write new words every day. I watch videos to learn English.
I understand, sir. So when I say, I sell jewelry, it means it's my habit or job.
Exactly right, Ayesha.
At first, I made only 5 bracelets. I took some photos and showed them to my friends.
And what happened?
My friends really liked them. They said, you should sell these online.
That's amazing encouragement.
Yes, sir. But I didn't know how to sell online. I felt nervous about using English on websites.
That's a common fear. Many beginners worry about English grammar or spelling when they start business online.
Yes, sir. But I remembered something you said in one of our classes. Don't wait for perfect English. Use the English you have.
I'm so happy you remembered that. Yes, progress comes from practice, not perfection.
So I started a small account on Instagram. I wrote my business name in English. Ayesha's Handmade World.
Beautiful name. It sounds personal and creative.
Thank you, sir. I used simple English sentences to describe my products.
That's a good idea. For business pages, simple English is powerful. Example, handmade bracelets with love. Order now and make your day colorful.
Yes, sir. I tried to keep my captions short and easy.
That's perfect for beginners and for your customers, too.
Slowly, people started liking my posts. Some even asked, "Can I buy this?"
That must have felt great.
Yes, sir. I was so happy. It was my first real customer.
That's a wonderful milestone, your first customer.
I remember. I checked my message 10 times before replying because I wanted to write correct English.
That's so sweet. What did you reply?
I wrote, "Yes, you can order this bracelet. Please tell me your color choice."
Perfect English. That's polite, clear, and simple.
"Thank you, sir." The customer replied, "I love your work."
That's lovely. Compliments from customers build confidence.
Yes, sir. That's when I truly believed I can do this.
Excellent, Ayesha. You showed courage, creativity, and communication. Those are 3 keys to success in business and English.
Thank you, sir. I learned one more thing. Business helps improve my English too.
Very true. When you write messages, read comments, and talk to customers, you practice real English.
Yes, sir. I think that's the best way to learn, by using English in real life.
100% correct. So today we learned how Ayesha's dream began and how she took her first step in starting her business.
Yes, sir. I was scared at first, but I learned that courage is the first step.
Wonderful message, Ayesha. And for our listeners, remember this phrase: small steps lead to big success.
I love that phrase, sir.
All right, we'll continue Ayesha's story in the next segment, where she'll share how she learned marketing, handled customers, and improved her English while running her business.
I'm excited, sir.
Great! See you again.